just not in the mood for talk today. What I'm to you? Me have days when me took on my phone and I send out some voice note. Hey, girl! I took up my phone over there and my friend over say, goodie, wagwan. Yeah, girl. I'm gonna chat to my good friend and my good friend talk. And then tomorrow now, me and her will have a good conversation today. Tomorrow she feel like for call my phone because she feel like every day me love chat. I relieve the phone now, I'm gonna use the tablet, man. She feel like every day me love chat. So me and her will good conversation today. I'm gonna take up my phone, I'm gonna dial her pin, I'm gonna call her, I'm gonna tell her the good things I saw. And such. She feel like she will come call my phone all tomorrow when me in my bad good mood, you know. She call on my phone and me answer, hey girl, what you say? Girl, I'm in the mood for talk to nobody right now. I'm hang up all on my phone and she take it to heart. So instead of telling people I'm not in the mood for talk right now, I'm them take it to heart. If nobody answer me see phone and I'm just fling that over there so like minutes nobody call me. What you say? I'm not saying nobody call me. When she texts me say good enough to me, I call girl I miss call me tip on my phone. I never have the phone in my hand. That time the phone still in my hand, I just don't want to talk to you. Today is not your day. Tomorrow your time. So we need to understand that people have them fears where them go through. Me and my fears and my friend them do me but me no business when they see me I call and stuff.